Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, purple fish. Merry Christmas, pink fish. And a good day to you, Mr. Hat. Cat in the Hat, that is. Yeah. Alright, let's go see if Santa came. Yeah. Woo! Dun, dun, dun. Santa's on the way. Oh, look at your kitchen. Looks like he came. Oh, look at this, Madeline. Look at all those cookies and carrots you left out. He ate most of the cookies. He left the reindeers ate a little bit of the carrots. That's cool. Uh-oh, he drank some of your breast milk, Madeline. What happened? What happened? Did he drink some of that breast milk? He's a weirdo, that fat man. He'll drink anything. Why does he do that? Why does he do that? Okay, Madeline, I know. You're not interested in him drinking your milk. You want to go see the presents. Let's go. Let's go, Madeline. Yeah, man, you're knocking your head off. Yeah. Santa's on the run. Did he come, Madeline? Did he come? Oh, looks like all these presents. He came. He came. Man, look at all these presents. Oh yeah, man. Some of these presents are bigger than you, Madeline. Yeah. Woo! Look at these presents, Madeline. Look at these presents. Oh man. Oh man, they go all the way around. Look at this one. Oh, Madeline. Oh my gosh. Maybe this is like diapers for next week for you. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Here's vacation. Oh, stockings over there. Let's go check that out, Madeline. Oh yeah, filled up your Minnie Mouse stocking. Looks like Santa came to Redondo. Alright, Merry Christmas to Grandma and Great Grandma and Aunt Sandy and Uncle Chris and Uncle Chuck and Uncle Doug and Uncle Stan and the doggy. Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas.